Hello guys, how are you today, and welcome to another little segment of Rowserworld. So today guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the basics of drawing a caricature, and today we're going to be doing a female caricature because we've been getting a lot of questions about the difficulties of drawing the female face. I can assure you they go through the same thing when they take photos of themselves. Inside joke. Married joke. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started for this particular exercise. I'll tell you what, I was going to use my Amazon Basics, but we're going to break it down to something simpler. We're going to use a Crayola marker to do this picture with, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is a basic head shape. So what I try to do is I try to equate the face with some basic geometric shape. Square, circle, diamond, so on and so forth. So when I look at her face, I notice one thing. She has how many sides to her face? She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 5 being the bottom shape, and then 6 being the shape up here where it looks like a flat shape on the top. So let's see if we can mimic that, okay? So let's start from our eye shape. We'll go 1. We'll go to the bottom shape, which is this is the 2 shape right here, and then this shape right here will be the side shape. Okay, so we got 1, 2, and the third shape is the chin shape. Then we'll come here, 4, number 5, and then we'll add our next shape, which is usually going to be about a third of the actual head shape. Okay, now what I'll do here is I'll go with the 6th shape, which is this one, or the 6th line. Okay, see how easy that was? Now we're going to go ahead and add our hair shape or ear shape. Let's go ahead and add the ear shape here. So we'll do something like this. You want to pay attention to the angle of the ear. 1. Over here you really can't see her ear because it's being covered by the hair. So we'll just do something like this, just like in the picture. Okay, and then we'll come over here and we'll start drawing our hair shape. So we'll look at the hair as one big shape. Okay. Okay, like that. Then we'll go just like this, right? And like that, right? And like that. And like that, okay? And we can see her little, this is kind of where the part goes, so I might do something like that. Okay? So this is real simple so far. I know what you're saying, man, why didn't I think of that before, right? Now let's go ahead guys and draw our eyebrow shape. So she has real thin eyebrows. Remember where this, see that bend in the eyes or that bend in the face? Remember between shapes number or lines number, remember we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the lines between these 2 lines and these 2 lines, there's a little bend right there. Okay? Our eyebrows are going to sit right above that line. And she has spaced apart eyes. You get it? So we're going to do spaced apart eyebrows. Now, my eye shape is really simple. Just follow me and do it. Watch this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that bottom line is always going to be a little bit lighter than that top line. So we'll go ahead and we'll add eyelashes. This is how you soften your shape. I am pressing a little bit harder using the chisel side of the marker. See how it has a flat surface and then it goes to a point? I'm using that flat surface to make these lines here. But I'm using a quick stroke, which makes it break at the end like it's doing in the picture. Then down here, I'm using my tip to make these lines here. Okay, now let's go ahead and add our eye shape. Because she has very round eyes, you can see a lot of white in her eyes. We want to play with that, so we're going to make a very small circle. We're going to leave a lot of white space in the eye. Then we're going to put a little dot in there like this for the pupils. Okay, see how we did that? And then with the tip of your mark, I want you to make a circle outside of that line. See how it makes it look like there's a reflection of light in the eye? Now we can go ahead and do the nose. Now when I'm looking at her nose, the shape I'm looking at a round nose, right? That's kind of almost even. In other words, it's not up or it's not down. It's kind of on the even plane. So this is what I like to do when I see those. I'll make a small nose, like I'll do this. Okay. Then I'll draw this line, that line, and then I'll suggest the nose in there. And now we'll go ahead and we'll take a line in the middle and we'll connect it to that outside. Okay. And let's add another little line here, but that's just a suggested line. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw the mouth shape. So in these type of pictures or in any face, your mouth is always going to go between your pupils, 1 and 2 here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Pupil 1, pupil 2. And then you simply add your lips to the shape and a little bit of a smile line on the end. Okay. As far as the cheekbones are concerned, okay, now we can add some cheekbones here. So just do a little line like this. 1, a little line like that. Okay. And then we'll just go ahead and put her little neck here and the general posture of our model. And there you have it. Fill in the eyebrows. Okay. And we have a basic, really basic cartoon drawing. Okay. If you want to add a little shadow to it, that's okay. Let me do that for you real quick. So I'll just take this marker here. I don't want to use one that's too dark, so I'll use one of these here. Okay, that still looks a little bit dark right there. Let me grab one from over here. I want to make sure those eyes stay light colored. Okay, and then just kind of follow where I put my shadows at. Just follow me, and you can use this in any drawing that you do. Any caricature. These are the basic parts of the face where you're not going to get light, therefore it's going to cast a shadow. And it's going to seem darker there. Okay. Let's use this marker here just to, I'm going to leave a little light in those lips there. Oh man, that's awesome. Okay guys, so pretty much that's caricature drawing 101. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video tutorial. I'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you are interested in learning more about caricature, you can look at some of our videos on the YouTube channel, or you can attend one of our live caricature art classes that we do. All you have to do to find out the information for that is go to Rowserworld.com and look at our class schedule. And we offer one-on-one classes. We also offer group classes. Those are limited to 5 or more people, 5 or less people in the class. So and it comes on a first come first served basis. So those spots usually fill up pretty quick. If you want to, just go ahead and check it out. Look on the calendar and it'll tell you whether you can sign up for that class or not. So other than that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and just sign my work. Okay. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. And the Rouser will be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.